heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess he gave you things that I didn't give to you. Oh, friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I'd hope you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Might I find someone like you, and I wish nothing but the best for you. To don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes you're lost in love and sometimes it hurts instead. Take it away, Emily. Thank you. Let's go.
You know how the time flies.
And now it actually the verse starts. Yeah.
You know how the time flies. Only yesterday was the time of our lives. We were born and raised in a summer haze, bound by the surprise of our glory days. I'd hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I'd hoped you'd see my face, that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead.
Thank you, Emily. Nothing compares, no worries or cares, regrets and mistakes that memories make. Who would have known now?
Bittersweet this would taste. Never mind, I'll find someone like you.
I wish nothing but the best for you too.
Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you said
sometimes you're lost in love and sometimes it hurts instead.
Sometimes you're lost in love, sometimes it hurts instead.
I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said sometimes you're lost in love and sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes you're lost in love and sometimes it hurts instead. Thanks so much for Emily!
Thank you!